Welcome back to Standard 5th Mathematics Digital class. Let's continue lesson number 8, Multiples and Factors, part 5. In previous video, we have learned how to find out prime and composite numbers. Today we will learn about co-prime numbers. Before that, revise what is meant by prime numbers that we have studied earlier. We know that a number which has only two factors, 1 and the number itself, is called a prime number. Now, we will see what is meant by co-prime numbers. Numbers which have only 1 as a common factor are called co-prime numbers. Now, we will take one example. Example 1, 10 and 21. We have to find out 10 and 21 are co-prime numbers or not. For that, we have to find out factors of 10 and factors of 21. You have learned how to find out factors. First, factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5 and 10. Then factors of 21 are 1, 3, 7 and 21. Now you have to find out common factors in both. So which are common factors in both? 1 is a common factor, so underline below that. Then other factors are different. There is only one common factor, that is 1. These numbers has only one common factor. So, therefore, 10 and 21 are co-prime numbers. Just now we have seen the definition. Numbers which have only 1 as a common factor are called co-prime numbers. So if you observe this example here, 10 and 21. If we observe the common factor, only 1 is a common factor in both. So therefore 10 and 21 are co-prime numbers. Understood how to find out co-prime numbers? Now we will solve problem set 35. Question number 1. Determine whether the pairs of numbers given below are co-prime numbers. First pair is 22 and 24. First we have to find out factors of 22. So here write down factors of 22. Factors of 22 are 1, 2, 11 and 22. Now we will find factors of 24. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Now you have to find out common factors in both. Here 1 is common in both, 2 is common in both. So we will come to know that there are two common factors, 1 and 2. So write down there are two common factors, 1 and 2. So therefore 22 and 24 are not a co-prime numbers. Now we will solve question number 2. The numbers are 10 and 33. So first find out factors of both numbers. Factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5 and 10. Then factors of 33 are 1, 3, 11 and 33. Now find out common factors in both. We will come to know that here only 1 is a common factor. So therefore 10 and 33 are co-prime numbers. So write down answer. These numbers has only one common factor. So therefore 10 and 33 are co-prime numbers. Understood how to find whether the numbers are co-prime or not. So remaining examples from problem set 35 you will solve in your notebook. Now let us perform an activity which is given in your textbook on page number 50. First you have to write numbers from 1 to 60. Then draw a blue circle around multiples of 2. Then draw a red circle around multiples of 4. So for that you require blue color sketch pen and red color sketch pen. Now here in this way you have to write down numbers in activity 1. So write down numbers in this way from 1 to 60. Now follow the steps which are given in the textbook. First step is draw a blue circle around multiples of 2. Now you have to draw a blue circle around multiples of 2. It means 2, then second multiple of 2 is 4, then 6, then 8, then 10. Then next multiple of 2 is 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. In this way you have to draw a circle around multiples of 2. If you will observe here, we have drawn a circle around all multiples of 2 from 1 to 60. Now next step is draw a red circle around multiples of 4. So first multiple of 4 is 4. So draw a red circle around 4. The next multiple is 8. Then next multiple of 4 is 12. So draw a circle around 12. Next multiple of 4 is 16. So draw a circle. Next multiple of 4 is 20. In this way you have to draw a red circle around multiples of 4. Now in this way you have to draw circles around multiples of 4 till 60. 60 is the last multiple of 4. Now some questions they have given in this activity. Do all numbers with a blue circle also have a red circle? Now if you will observe the numbers which have blue circle. So you have to find out all numbers which has blue circle also have red circle. You will find that this 2 has blue circle but it does not have red circle around them. Then 6 do not have red circle. So you will find that the numbers with blue circle are multiples of 2. But all numbers with a blue circle not have a red circle around them. Now next question. Do all numbers with a red circle have a blue circle around them? Yes, if you will observe numbers which has red circle, it has also blue circle. Next 8 number, it has red circle as well as blue circle. Then number 12, red and blue. Then 16, red and blue. 20, red and blue. So you will find that the numbers with a red circle have blue circle around them. What do you observe by performing this activity? You will observe that the numbers with a blue circle are multiples of 2. The numbers with blue and red circles are multiples of 2 and 4. All multiples of 2 are not multiple of 4. All multiples of 4 are also multiples of 2. Understood this activity 1? Now we will solve second activity. This is second activity which is given in your textbook on page number 50. So follow the steps. Again you have to write numbers from 1 to 60. Now here small change is given. Here you have to draw a triangle around multiples of 2 and draw a circle around multiples of 3. So let us do activity 2. In this way you have to write down numbers from 1 to 60. Then first step is draw a triangle around multiples of 2. So first multiple of 2 is 2. So draw a triangle around 2. Then next multiple is 4. So draw a triangle. Next multiple is 6. Draw a triangle around 6. Next multiple is 8. So draw a triangle around 8. Next multiple is 10. So draw a triangle around 12. Next multiple is 14. So in this way you have to draw a triangle around multiples of 2. Now in this way we have drawn triangle around multiples of 2 till 60. Now next step is given, draw a circle around multiples of 3. Which are multiples of 3? Yes, first multiple of 3 is 3. So draw a circle around multiples of 3. The next multiple of 3 is 6. So draw a red circle around 6. Next multiple of 3 is 9. Draw a red circle. Next multiple of 3 is 12. So draw a red circle around 12. Next multiple of 3 is 15. Draw a red circle. Next multiple of 3 is 18. In this way, draw a red circle around multiples of 3. Now in this way we have drawn red circle around multiples of 3 till 60. If you will observe here, all numbers do not have triangle and circle around them. Only few numbers has circle. So what do you observe by performing this activity? By performing this activity, we will come to know that the numbers which has triangle and a circle are multiples of 2 as well as 3. And the property we found that numbers which are divisible by 2 and 3 are also divisible by 6. So do this activity in your notebook. Next concept we will learn in next video. Thank you.